Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to make a pamphlet in Google Docs. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to go into this Google Docs here. So type here Google Docs and click on this first link, then go to this go to Docs option, and then from here basically you need to click on this blank option. Now here you can see that by default your page is in a portrait mode, so you have to convert this into a landscape mode. So you will go into this file, page setup, and convert your page into a landscape mode. And typically pamphlet is divided into multiple columns in the page, so you have to basically divide your page in maybe 2 to 3 columns. So how you can do this, you will go into this format tab here, click on columns, and maybe you want 2 columns or 3, so I will just go for 2. And now basically our page is divided into 2 columns. Okay, so this is the first column and this is the second column. And now basically it all depends upon you that how you can basically customize this page here. Okay, you can basically start adding some text here, you can change the font and font size from here. Okay, you can basically add beautiful images here. Okay, and if you want you can basically get a reference from the internet as well. So pamphlet designs, basically search for this and then go to the images tab here, and here you can see that we have these beautiful pamphlets here basically. So you can basically get an idea from here, and let me just show you that actually our page is divided into 2 parts. So if I just click on this enter here, and now here you can see that our page is divided into 2 parts. Okay, so now it basically depends upon you. You can add more fonts here, you can add shapes here, you can add images here, you can add a background color as well, and make your pamphlet look very beautiful as well. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.